Hi, this is Mariette, and I'm helping you when it all becomes a little bit too much. If you need a little bit of time to step away from the stress, anxiety provoking, energy eating, annoying situations. It's like a reset button, rebooting your system, calming down. So remove yourself from a situation that isn't helping you. Go and sit in a chair that's really comfy by yourself. And then take a deep breath out. Really push out. And then take a deep breath in. And a slow breath out. And when you breathe out, let go of any tension you are holding in your body. And then close your eyes. Come back to your natural breathing. In through the nose, out through the nose. Cool air coming in, warm air going out. And imagine that someone puts their hands on your head and they start gently stroking your hair and the skin of your skull. Those lovely touches are so relaxing. And it helps you to forget all that stress and all that anxiety. You can feel those fingers on the sides of your head, moving gently, a little bit of pressure, and then moving towards the back of your head, and then moving to the top of your head. You can just feel how your energy is balancing. And then imagine hands on your forehead, gently moving from the middle to the sides. And in that movement, they move away the tension you're holding in your forehead. And then imagine with some fingernails going over your head, your cheeks, your jaws, really giving you that calming experience. And hold on to that feeling of calm. Just know that you can hold on to this, and no one and nothing can take that away. Take a deep breath in and a slow breath out. Enjoy how you are feeling. Just notice how energizing that is. And then gently bring yourself back to the here and now. But you know you're untouchable. You're calm, re-energized, and ready for the next part of the day.